In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add volunteer experience to LinkedIn. This process is straightforward and it's a fantastic way to showcase your contributions and skills you've honed outside of traditional work settings. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to sign in. You can do this using Google, Microsoft, or your email address and password. If you have two-factor authentication set up, LinkedIn might prompt you for a security code they send to your phone, so have your device handy for quick access. Once you're logged in, go to your profile by clicking your avatar picture in the upper right corner and selecting View Profile. Now you'll see your profile as others see it. Just beneath your profile picture, you should see an option that says Add Profile Section. Click on this and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, find and scroll down to the Additional category and select Add Volunteer Experience. A new window will pop up, and this is where you'll begin entering information about your volunteer work. The first field you need to fill in is the name of the organisation you volunteered with. Make sure to type it exactly as it's recognised, as this detail helps authenticate your experience. Next, enter your role within the organisation. This could be anything from a mentor to a coordinator or a board member. After that, input the dates you volunteered. This gives a time frame for your involvement and adds context for any skills or achievements you highlight. Beneath the date fields, there's a space to describe your tasks and responsibilities. Here, aim to be concise yet informative. Consider highlighting specific skills you utilized or developed during your time, as well as any impact your contributions might have made. If you have media files or documents such as photos, presentations, or certificates that relate to your volunteer work, you can add these too. These files can be insightful and provide tangible evidence of your skills and experiences. Once you have filled out all the necessary fields, double check your entries for accuracy. When you're ready, click Save. This action will add your volunteer experience to your LinkedIn profile. Now, anyone viewing your profile can easily see your dedication and the additional skills you've acquired through your volunteer work. And there you have it, your volunteer experience is now featured on your LinkedIn profile, offering a more comprehensive view of your capabilities and the ways you've contributed to your community. This addition not only enriches your profile but also makes you stand out to potential employers or collaborators who value a well-rounded professional background. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips on maximizing your LinkedIn presence and making the most of your professional opportunities.